I remember the first time I tried to bake bread. I spent hours kneading, waiting for the dough to rise, and tending to the oven, only to pull out a dense, floury brick that could have broken a window. It was incredibly frustrating. I wanted that fresh bakery smell in my house, but I didn't have the time or the skill to do it by hand. Buying a bread machine seemed like the perfect solution, but looking at the options was overwhelming. Do I need 20 settings? Does the pan shape matter? Are the cheap ones terrible? In this video, I'll break down the top 5 best bread machines for beginners, so you can skip the dense bricks and wake up to perfect, fresh bread every single time. Stick around, because the number 1 spot is a total game changer for homemade loaves. Five, Cuisinart CBK-110NAS. This is often one of the first machines people look at because of the Cuisinart name and its very attractive price point. It has a compact footprint, which is great if you don't have a lot of counter space, and it features a sleek stainless steel and black plastic design. It offers 12 pre-programmed menu options, including basic French, whole wheat, and even a gluten-free setting, which is a nice inclusion for a machine at this level. You can choose from 3 loaf sizes up to 2 pounds and select your preferred crust shade from light to dark. It also features a 13-hour delay start, meaning you can load it up at night and wake up to a fresh loaf. In my testing, this machine is definitely capable of turning out a decent loaf of bread. The interface is relatively straightforward, utilizing an LCD screen and a few buttons to navigate the menus. The vertical baking pan is non-stick, and cleanup is generally quite easy. The viewing window on top is a nice touch, allowing you to peek in and see how the dough is coming along without lifting the lid and letting all the heat out. For basic white or wheat bread, it gets the job done and fills the house with an amazing aroma. However, there are a few reasons this sits at the bottom of our top 5. The primary issue is the vertical pan design. This creates a tall, awkwardly shaped loaf that isn't ideal for sandwiches, as the slices are often too large for standard toasters or sandwich bags. 4. Panasonic SD-R2550. Panasonic has a long history of making reliable bread makers, and this model brings some interesting features to the table. It has a very modern, minimalist stainless steel look that blends well into contemporary kitchens. What sets this machine apart is its dual temperature sensor technology. It monitors both the internal temperature of the machine and the ambient room temperature to adjust the baking and rising times, aiming for consistent results regardless of your kitchen's climate. It offers an impressive 20 preset programs covering a wide range of breads, doughs, and even jams. Testing the Panasonic was an interesting experience. The bread it produces is generally of a very high quality, with excellent texture and a nice, even crumb. The dual sensors really do seem to help with consistency, especially if your kitchen tends to run hot or cold. It also features an automatic raisin and nut dispenser, which is a fantastic addition. Instead of having to listen for a beat and manually add your mix-ins, the machine drops them in at the perfect time during the kneading cycle, ensuring they're evenly distributed without being pulverized into the dough. But, like the Cuisinart, the Panasonic SD-R2550 relies on a vertical baking pan, meaning you are again left with that tall, somewhat impractical loaf shape. This is a common design choice to save counter space, but it's a significant drawback if you plan on using the bread primarily for sandwiches. The interface, while offering many options, is also completely devoid of a viewing window. You have to trust the machine entirely, which can be a bit anxiety-inducing for beginners who want to keep an eye on the process. 3. KBS Premium 2LB. This machine starts to bridge the gap between entry-level and premium models, offering some serious upgrades. The standout feature here is the dual quartz heaters combined with convection baking. This ensures a much more even bake and a crispier, more artisan-style crust than you typically get from machines with only a single bottom heating element. It also features a 710-watt motor, which is noticeably more powerful than the standard 500 or 600-watt motors found in cheaper models. The KBS feels like a significant step up in quality. It features a fully stainless steel body and, most importantly, a horizontal ceramic pan. This pan is a game changer. Not only does it produce a traditional, rectangular loaf that is perfect for slicing and sandwiches, but the ceramic coating is incredibly durable and free of Teflon or other questionable chemicals. The touch panel is sleek, responsive, and easy to clean, and it includes an automatic fruit and nut dispenser. It offers 17 different programs, giving you plenty of versatility. During testing, the power of that 710-watt motor was evident. It handled heavy, multi-grain doughs with ease, kneading them thoroughly without any straining or struggling. The convection baking really does make a difference in the crust, giving it a much nicer texture and color than the previous models. The ceramic pan released the bread effortlessly every time, and the automatic dispenser worked flawlessly. It also operates surprisingly quietly for a machine with this much power. This is a fantastic machine for beginners who want professional-looking results without a massive price tag. The combination of the horizontal loaf shape, the even convection baking, and the durable ceramic pan make it a joy to use. 2. Breville BBM800XL. Breville is known for its high-end, thoughtfully designed kitchen appliances, and this bread maker is no exception. It is a stunning piece of equipment, featuring a brushed stainless steel exterior and a very intuitive, smart interface. It offers 13 automatic settings, but its real power lies in the 9 custom settings, allowing you to program your own specific kneading, rising, and baking times for ultimate control as you get more advanced. The feature that truly elevates the Breville is its unique collapsible kneading paddle. In almost all other machines, the paddle stays upright during baking, leaving a large hole in the bottom of your bread. The Breville's paddle mixes the dough, and then, right before the bake cycle begins, it automatically collapses flat against the bottom of the pan. This leaves only a tiny indentation in the finished loaf, maximizing the usable slices. It also features a very large, smart LCD screen that clearly displays the progress and time remaining. Using the Breville is a premium experience. The automatic fruit and nut dispenser is large and works perfectly. The machine produces a traditional horizontal loaf, and the baking consistency is excellent. The interface is arguably the best on the market. It uses a dial system that makes selecting your settings incredibly fast and intuitive, rather than pressing a single button 15 times to find the right program. It is a remarkably well-built, sturdy machine that feels like it will last for years. While it is certainly an investment, the thoughtful design features, especially the collapsible paddle, make it worth the price for those who plan to bake frequently. 1. Zojirushi BB-PDC20BA. If you ask any serious bread machine enthusiast what the best machine on the market is, they will almost always point to this one. Zojirushi is the gold standard, and the Virtuoso Plus is their flagship model. It doesn't just bake bread, it excels at it. It features dual kneading paddles and dual heaters, one on the bottom and one in the lid, ensuring a perfectly even bake and a beautifully browned crust every single time. The secret to the Zojirushi success is those dual kneading paddles. While single paddle machines can sometimes struggle to incorporate all the flour in the corners of a rectangular pan, the dual paddles in the Virtuoso Plus ensure that every bit of dough is thoroughly mixed and perfectly kneaded, mimicking the action of hand kneading far better than a single paddle ever could. It produces a large, traditional 2-pound horizontal loaf that looks exactly like it came from a professional bakery. The machine offers 15 diverse course settings, including European, multi-grain, and a fantastic sourdough starter course. The interface is clear and easy to read, and it includes a large viewing window. In my testing, the Zojirushi consistently produced the highest quality bread of any machine on this list. The texture was always perfect, the crust was even, and it handled everything from light white bread to dense rye without skipping a beat. Yes, it is the most expensive machine on this list, and it is quite large, taking up a significant amount of counter space. However, if you're serious about making the best possible bread at home with the least amount of effort, the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus is simply unmatched.